Can you imagine waking up every day to the sound of the wind rustling through the trees and the sound of water flowing down the mountain? In Caldas, Antioquia, just minutes from Medellin, Viva en el Bosque is born, a place where nature is not an escape, it is your home. Here the days begin with fresh homemade cheese, freshly served coffee, and animals that are part of your family. Children learn from the land, and adults rediscover the magic in simplicity. Each construction is conscious, each bonfire an encounter. Here you can work from the forest, or just be. Viva en el Bosque, nature that embraces you. Life that becomes life again. The perfect place to live in the middle of nature.